What's up guys, the Rogue Vet coming at you with another video. So today will be part 2 of the interior carbon fiber trim pieces that go on the door panels. We're going to be putting those on today. I will put a link in the description if you do want those, if you like the way these look. They are from eBay, not Amazon this time, but let's see how they turn out. Should be pretty easy, similar to the one that we did in the first video as a fly. But let's go ahead, I'll show you how to do this, and then we'll see how it comes out. All right. So here is the driver's side. And let me get a prep pad. We'll go ahead and just take them out of the coverings, but that's going to be for the passenger side. Just all along this part right here. Just cleaning it off. All right guys, so pretty much this is how the piece looks here. Now, it does have the tape on there. Just take that tape off and then place it right on the door panel. This is the pretty much finished product on this side here. You can see there it is right there. It's a little bit different than the ones here. They're kind of adhered, or not adhered, they adhere with that little tape on there, and it's kind of like a sticker pretty much. But as where these are kind of, you know, hard plastic, and then you have the carbon fiber look, and then you just kind of, they're already molded to it. This is different. This is kind of like a sticker. Now I can always take these off if, you know, the sticker stuff doesn't work right, but I had to kind of jerry rig this one here. I tried the fitment on the passenger side and they were a lot better fit. The driver's side was not as good, so I had to kind of, like I said, jerry rig it to work as best as it can. Now, like I said guys, I'm just trying these. I just wanted something else to go on the door panels other than just the ones for right here, but we'll see how this works. I can always take it off, find something else to use instead, but we'll see. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna put the other ones on the other side. Take off the tape and get it right in the spot it needs to be. And then firmly press. Okay, so that's that one. The last one here for the unlock and lock button, same thing. Let's just take it off. Red tape. Okay, and line it up right on the door. There we go. Okay. All right, here's the finished product. So I'll give you some close-up shots. Here's the unlock and lock portion of the strip, and it goes all the way down to the bottom. And then here's the ones we installed the other day, and then here is the new one for the window here. Overall, I believe it looks pretty good, guys. I mean, it is what it is. You can kind of see that there, but I think it's pretty good. Here, let me get out of the car so we can just kind of check and see. Excuse my mess. Let's go over to the driver's side again real quick. let's check that one out. And there it is right there. So like I said, this one didn't come out as good. I had to kind of cut it and make it work pretty much, but it's good. It's good. I'll just, like I said, if I need to change it, I can change it, but I think I'm pretty satisfied with it. May not look as good as the other one, but oh well. Alright, so there's what it kind of looks like when I'm sitting in the driver's seat. You kind of see it there. And there's what the passenger side looks like in the sunlight. Alright, I gotta move some cars around, so let me do this here. Alright guys, well there's the video. Hope y'all enjoyed the install. Like I said, the links will be in the description if you are interested in them. If not, you know, oh well. But I hope y'all enjoyed. Alright guys, until the next install, next video, you have a good day. Bye bye.